Practical, feature-rich, and built to go the distance, the Campsite Reserve line offers a dynamic range of towables for all of your camping adventures. Built exclusively for Camping World by Forest River RV, this lineup features an outstanding floor plan selection, whether you're a family, a couple, solo traveler, or shopping on a budget. Today we'll dive into the RV types, floor plans, key specs, noteworthy features, construction, and towing considerations for the 2026 Forest River Campsite Reserve line. First, let's talk about what sets the Campsite Reserve apart. Overbuilt practicality. If I had to sum up Campsite Reserve in 2 words, that's it. These travel trailers prioritize function and real-world usability. Forest River set out to create a product that feels solid, works smarter, and holds up to real-time travel, all without inflating the price point. And that starts with storage. Every Campsite Reserve is packed with industry-leading storage solutions, from hidden cubbies to oversized drawers and vertical shelving that makes use of every inch. Behind entertainment centers, under bunks, below the dinette, no space is wasted. You'll even find dedicated places for items like trash cans and shoe bins, proving that Campsite builds for how people actually camp. The second theme is expansive panoramic square windows. These windows provide some of the best views you'll find in any RV. Plus, the heat-reflective backing helps to regulate your RV's interior temperature, whether you're maintaining that cool, air-conditioned climate in the summer or trapping heat on cooler camping trips. The third theme is standard features that are anything but standard. We're talking a complete RV water filtration system, upgraded kitchen sink fixtures, heated and enclosed underbelly with 12-volt tank heating pads, improved suspension for a smoother ride on dual-axle models, and an included rear observation camera with Bluetooth capability. With a Campsite Reserve, you won't find any add-ons or optional upgrades, but you get more right from the factory. Now, features are undoubtedly important, but an RV's interior layout can make or break your camping experience. So, let's highlight the Campsite Reserve floor plans. Starting with the travel trailers, this expansive lineup currently features 10 floor plans, including single axle and double axle models, an impressive variety of rear baths and kitchens, bunk houses and bunk rooms, and layouts with unique rear lounge areas. Campsite Reserve offers a toy hauler, they offer destination trailers, and tiny home-style mini loft floor plans. The travel trailers range from under 20 feet to nearly 37 feet long and weigh between just over 3,500 and nearly 7,400 pounds. While some of the smallest models are easily SUV towable, even the largest travel trailers are within the rated towing capacities for most full-size trucks and even some SUVs with higher tow ratings. Toy haulers are a newer addition to this lineup, offering multiple floor plans under 30 feet and weighing in under 5,500 pounds dry with GVWRs under 8,000 pounds. The destination trailers range from nearly 36 feet to well over 43 feet, with weights ranging from roughly 8,000 to well over 12,400 pounds. These larger RVs, designed for seasonal or full-time living, will require a heavier duty truck for safe towing, but more on that a little bit later. Okay, let's get into the travel trailers, because Campsite Reserve made its name with travel trailers for many types of campers. To showcase their versatility, let's check out these popular floor plans, beginning with this 16BC, the smallest and lightest model. We find a rear bath layout uniquely suited to couples or even solo travelers. A compact, lightweight design is a selling point here, but you still have everything you need to significantly upgrade from tent camping. You get a Camp Queen bed, a convertible dinette, a cozy kitchen, and a spacious bathroom with hanging and shelved storage. Stepping up to a floor plan that's still under 24 feet, the 17LS offers a compact bunkhouse for emerging RV families. Double bunks give the kids plenty of room to grow, while the parents can rest easy in the front queen. They can enjoy deep storage under the bottom bunk and easy access to the bathroom. In the living area, a deep dinette creates a comfortable meal space across from the kitchen and its excellent campsite views thanks to the massive window. Leaping up a bit in size, the 20LJ offers a roughly 26-foot camper with room for couples to host guests or small families to enjoy multi-use space. The highlight is going to be the rear dining and living area with a dinette and sofa. Comfortable dining? Check. Movie nights? Check. Convertible sleeping spaces for up to 4 little ones? Check. Moving over to 30 feet, we find one of the best bunkhouse models in the entire lineup. The 26CJ features double over double rear bunks next to a solid-sized bathroom with a private entry door, a big benefit for getting kids cleaned up before they track dirt through the entire living area. Speaking of that living area, it offers a dinette and sofa with views of the entertainment center, which conceals hidden shelves. An L-shaped kitchen and private king bedroom round out this ideal family bunkhouse. Now, families searching for a truly private bunk room for the kids can look no further than the 27MR. This layout offers a private king bed at the front in a similar L-shaped kitchen and expanded living area as other models thanks to the super slide. But this bunk room shines for family comfort with a jackknife sofa, a drop-down bunk bed, and a rolling cabinet with an additional bunk mat. It sleeps up to 4 and has room for the kids' belongings, plus a door to provide the kind of privacy and separation every family needs at some point on an extended camping trip. Finally, the 29TJ offers some bunk room competition for the 27MR. At nearly 37 feet, the bunk room is certainly sizable, boasting single bunks on one side and double bunks on the other. A wardrobe closet matches the storage theme of all campsite RVs. Other leading features include an expanded outdoor kitchen with a pull-out griddle and dual entry doors, one into the living area and another directly into the bathroom. But what if you need to haul heavier gear? Well, that is where toy haulers come in. The newest addition to the lineup, the Campsite Reserve toy haulers are built for RVers who want both living space and room for their gear. Let's take the smallest, the 19KR for example. It features a compact layout that prioritizes camp comfort while still offering ample storage space. Designed for 2 with a Camp King bed in the front, the rear area converts to a kitchen/lounge when your toys are unloaded, with the countertop, sink, and range complemented by 2 swiveling recliners on the opposite wall. Still need more options for full-time or extended season living? Well, Campsite Reserve has you covered with mini loft and destination trailer floor plans, including these fan favorites. The 20JW offers the Campsite Reserve lineup's best tiny home-style floor plan, complete with patio doors that open onto a built-in rear deck. This 2-story RV layout features a ground-level bedroom with a Camp King mattress, a split-design bathroom, a kitchen with residential appliances like a washer and dryer, and space for a dishwasher, plus a living area with a sofa and a convertible table. Upstairs, bunk mats, an electric fireplace, and cabinets create the ideal second sleeping area with storage. The newest addition to the Campsite Reserve destination trailer lineup, the 39LA, boasts an impressive front kitchen, a rear primary bedroom with a loft above, a central living area that can easily seat 6, and dual entry doors, one with private access to the rear bedroom. This layout excels by keeping the cooking, dining, and lounging spaces as far from the sleeping areas as possible, though the living area sofas do convert for additional guests. And there you have it. There's a Campsite Reserve for those who want a lightweight towable. The layouts provide options for couples or solo campers, small and large families, and even those looking to haul motorized toys or create a seasonal home away from home. But how are these travel trailers built? Well, the foundation of any Campsite Reserve is the Lippert X9 chassis, built specifically for salt exposure with an upgraded protective coating that delivers improved rust resistance. Embossed and stamped cross members and outriggers increase strength without compromising towability, while I-beam construction delivers enhanced structural integrity. As a standard upgrade, these trailers are equipped with an ultra-ride suspension system that delivers a smoother towing experience, better handling and weight distribution, and reduced noise and vibration. On top of that chassis, Forest River finishes every Campsite Reserve with upgraded aluminum siding that's 25% thicker than industry standard. That siding also boasts a tough coat finish, which is 1 coat of primer and 2 coats of exterior paint, and the roof is built with 16-inch roof truss spacing, 3/8-inch plywood, and a 1-piece PVC membrane with a lifetime warranty, akin to some upscale fifth wheel construction. Other construction highlights include a 100-watt roof-mounted solar panel with a charge controller, a heated and enclosed underbelly with heating pads for the holding tanks, built to fit interior storage bins, and a diamond-plated front rock guard for added durability. The Campsite Reserve doesn't slack when it comes to towability either. Although our towing guide makes it easy to plug in your vehicle's year, make, model, trim, or VIN to determine your towing capacity, here is a rough overview. The Campsite Reserve models weigh in just under 3,500 pounds to nearly 7,400 pounds unloaded depending on the floor plan. Considering cargo capacities, their gross vehicle weight ratings range from roughly 5,500 to nearly 10,000 pounds. That means a well-equipped SUV can handle some, with a full-size truck being a much safer bet for others. For the smaller single-axle models like the 16BC and 17LS, many mid-size SUVs or crossover with a 6,000-pound tow rating will do the trick. Something like a Nissan Pathfinder, Toyota 4Runner, or Jeep Grand Cherokee. Smaller trucks like the Toyota Tacoma or Ford Ranger will be a good match for these lighter models as well. Moving up to the mid-size models with GVWRs between 7,500 and 8,000 pounds or so, full-size SUVs such as a Dodge Durango, Toyota Sequoia, or Ford Expedition provide a great match and added confidence. Of course, any half-ton pickup like a Ford F-150, Chevy Silverado, or Ram 1500 will have no problem handling these trailers, and you'll need one for the larger models with GVWRs approaching the 10,000 pound mark. So if you want floor plan versatility, towing options, storage for days, and standard amenities that are anything but standard, the Forest River Campsite Reserve has to be on your list. Finally, where can you learn more or see one of these unique floor plans in person? Well, simply stop into your local Camping World. I'm Ian Baker, and until next time, we'll see you.